Hello and welcome back to another lesson on Jekyll. Today we are going to create and run a blank Jekyll website. In this tutorial, I'm assuming you have already installed Jekyll on your computer. If you haven't, check the description for instructions on how to do that. So, let's get started. The first step to create your new blank Jekyll site is to open your command line tool and run the command Jekyll new company dash website dash dash blank. Next, you need to get inside your website folder, which you can do by using the command cd company-website. Now that you're inside your new website folder, you can start the Jekyll server using the command Jekyll serve or Jekyll s. Jekyll will start a development server, and you can view your website by visiting the address localhost :4000. That's it for now. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.